Hello my beautiful friends, welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Michelle. On this channel we do a little bit of hair, lots of makeup, sprinkled with a bit of fashion and some in-betweens. If this sounds like your vibe, go ahead and subscribe. Don't forget to like the video and share with a friend. Please remember to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hey guys, what's good? I hope you're doing well, right? So this is going to be another little video where I'm just chilling and I'm going to just be sharing with you guys. Finally, I'm going to be doing what's on my makeup tray for the month of October. So what I did was, it's probably a little tacky, but I have this box here that I got some sneakers in, and I just put a bunch of the stuffs, the things that I'm going to be using for the month of October. I got this idea from Ariel Ash. She always does like a monthly makeup tray, and it's a good idea for you to, use up your other products, because you get so used to doing your makeup and you're grabbing the same things over and over again, when in fact you have like a lot of stuff that you really need to use, and they're just sitting there. So I grab a few things. I don't want this video to be too long, so I'm just gonna share with you what I'm gonna be using for October. All right, I have them in no particular order, but I'm gonna try to do them in order. So I have this foundation here from LYS, right? LYS Beauty. It's a foundation that I probably used a few times. And let's see. Shade is DG6. Now, when I look at this foundation, I would say it's a full coverage or medium coverage. When I look at this foundation, it's a little bit slightly lighter than me. But if I mix it with like a little bit of a darker shade, it will be fine. So, I mean, I paid a lot of money for this, so, so I'm going to be using that. Alrighty, the next one that I'm going to be using is this one by Too Faced. It's called Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow, and it has SPF 30. My shade in this is Chai. So it's like moisturizing foundation. So it gives you a nice glow, but it also have a great coverage. So we're going to be using this. Also, you guys know how I feel about this one. This one is House Labs 470. This is a House Lab, the Triclone Skin Tech Foundation. You know how I feel about this one. I barely have anything in there, but I have enough for me to use it up a few more times, and then I'm gonna go ahead and repurchase it. This is my second bottle, so I really love it. Alrighty, and yeah, when I'm done with this one, I'm going to buy another one. Alrighty, this is like my perfect shade. Alrighty, another foundation that I'm going to make sure that I'm using is this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation. This one, my shade is, I don't remember. Yeah, Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. This is a great foundation. Medium coverage, I would say, but I love this. I love this. And you know that for Rihanna stuff, it's like really good for your skin and your complexion. Have some good ingredients in there. Makeup is not cheap, so I need to make sure I use my stuff before they go bad. We're going to be using this one. This is the Huda Beauty Easy Blur. Right? So this is a Huda Beauty Easy Blur foundation. This one has niacinamide in there, and my shade in this one is 510R. So I'm going to be using this. I'm actually wearing this today for this look, and I really love it. This is also another one that's like almost my perfect shade match, okay? Also, I have this other Fenty Beauty one. This is the Eavesdrop. You guys should remember this one when it came out. Let's see if I can show you guys the shade. I think this is shade 20, right? So this one is very good. Very good. So this is a Fenty Beauty blurring skin tint. So your face is supposed to look nice and blurred. So I can't wait to use this one again. So I have it on the tray. And lastly, in foundation, I have this one, and just because I really like the coverage, this is full coverage. It's not as matte as the first one. This is a Maybelline Super Stay Lumi Matte foundation. So it's like, you know, between luminous and matte. So we're gonna be using this one. I'm in 355. So this is on the tray. This one on the tray, I have this on today as well. This is Sephora setting powder. This is Sephora blurred powder, and this one is in Brightening Peach. So these came out in a few shades, but I only got this one. I have this one that I got from Fenty a while ago. I didn't really love it, but I'm gonna use it because I paid for it. And it's not bad. Even if I can't use it underneath my eyes because I feel like it's a little too yellow, I'm going to use it to set my face. I did use it to set my face today, actually. So this is a Fenty Beauty Pro Filter. And it's in the shade Cashew. Alright, another one that I have on the tray is this Wet n Wild one. This is in Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in Banana. We're going to be using this one. This one's from the drugstore, but it's really, really good. So we need to take her out again. You know, give her another spin around the block. Is this one by e.l.f. This is a e.l.f. powder. It's just HD powder. It doesn't really have a color. At least I don't see the color. It's giving like a little white-ish, banana-ish shade. So we're going to be trying this again because honestly I don't remember what it looks like. One more powder we're going to use is this one. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder in 20 light medium. This is like a banana powder. Alrighty, so we're going to be using this again. I always use the Sephora one, so it's time for me to use up some other things. And also for powder, we're going to be using this one, which we use a couple times. The Sephora 12 hour setting mattifying powder. So I like to put this on after my face is done. Give it like a little brightness underneath your eye. This is universal. Now we have a few bronzers. We have this one. Few bronzers. We have this one from e.l.f. So this is the e.l.f. You know, this Jamaican accent. The e.l.f. A Halo Glow in Rich Medium. This is like a nice color here. So I'm gonna be using this to bronze up my face instead of the one that I always use. I also have this one that I haven't used in a while as far as a bronzer. Colored Rain. This is Colored Rain, and the shade is Naughty Spice. Ready? So it's a nice, like a reddish brownish color. It's warm, so I actually used this one today for my face. Alrighty, and this look I also record just in case you're wondering. Alrighty, another bronzer that we're going to be using is this one from Juvia's Place Bronze Palette. This is a dark one, so it has the lighter color here, which you can use for your nose, and then maybe this one for the rest of your face. So this one is really, really nice. I really love it. It's a little warmish, but I like it. So we're going to be using that one. I also used this one today, and we're going to be using that on the tray. This is the Juvia's Place Bronze Palette. Cream Bronzer. Cream Contour. Bronzer Contour. And this one is Cocoa. So this is very rich. As you can see, I really like it. So I need to just continue to use it because it's really, really good. Really, really good, and it's very easy to blend out. Another cream bronze that I'm going to be using is this one from Milani Cheek Kiss 140. All right, let's see if I can show you guys the color. I don't know, but it's nice and creamy. Nice shade. Let's see. Very rich. See? It's very rich. So very rich and very affordable. So we're going to be using that one. And I also have just this one from the Nessa Myrix that I love. It's one of my favorite ones. This one comes in a it was 3 of them in the pack. Alrighty, and this one is Spice Latte. It's like a nice peachy color, but not so dark peach, like a light peach, but it's very, very nice. Cream blush. Now the cream blush that's on the list is this one from Juvia's Place. I have them in 2 colors, but I just chose this one. I'm wearing that one today. This one is Juvia's Place blush cream. It's called Pinch Me. Okay, you know, and then that's the shade. Nice pink color. Alrighty. And we have one more blush that we want to share, and this is a Juvia's Place, a Bella blush. I remember I used to use this one so much. Very pretty. So we have this one on the tray. We have this one size ultra pink under eye powder. So we're going to be testing this out again. And also I got this blush from the beauty supply store from, who makes this one? It says multi-face blush. Is a very pink. You can use it for your eye, face, and lip. And this is nice, pretty color. I haven't used this as yet, so. Cream blush. Very pretty. Very pretty. I'm gonna be using also this Fit Me powder in 355 to set my face. Okay. And also I have one more blush, cream blush. This is one is from Colored Rain. It's called Smooches. Another pink blush, so we're gonna be using a lot of pink blushes. That's all I have as far as blushes. And I'm going to be using this L'Oreal CoverGirl concealer for my under eye. Then I also have the L'Oreal Infallible one. I used this one before, but I need to, you know, use her again. I also got a new concealer from this brand here, Amicole, but unfortunately they went out of business. But I did get some stuff on the website because they had a very good sale. Right, it's a little light, but we will make it work. And it looks like it's very creamy. Also from Amicole, I have this, it's a setting powder as well. I've never used it, but Ariel said it's very, very good. It's called Skin Melt Loose Powder. I'm going to be testing this out, so I'm going to leave this one on my tray. Also, I have this that I bought a while ago from Charlotte Tilbury. It's like a eyeshadow, but it's very creamy. It's like a goldy, nice goldy color. Let me show you guys a jar. Right, and the color is, can't see the color, but we're going to be using this. It's like a creamy. Let's see. Yeah, I can't put my nails in here because my nail is gonna get everywhere. But this is one that I'm going to be using. Creamy eyeshadow to just do like some natural looks on my face. And also another cream blush that I forgot. This one is from LYS Beauty. It's hard to show these when they have that little shimmery writing. It's a nice pink blush. I'll put it right here on this side. Alright, so we're going to be keeping this on the tray so we can use it before we lose it. Right, guys? And also, I'm going to be using my Haus Labs concealer. Sorry that I don't have them in order, but I just forgot this one. Alright, Haus Lab concealer. We're going to have that on the tray. And we have to make sure that we use our Fenty Beauty mascara. Hella thick mascara, which I am obsessed with. We haven't used her in a long time. This is the Fenty Beauty Kilowatt highlighter. You guys know that I use this a lot. Alrighty, especially the one over here. This shade. on this side. So pretty much, guys, that's all we have for now. You know, if there's anything that I can think of, like some lip liners, I think I have the Sephora lip liner that I really like. I'll be using that. I have like a MAC lipstick that I'm gonna be using as well. I have it on today with my, yeah, I have it on today. So that's all I have for today, guys. I don't really have any new setting sprays or anything. I do need some. I want to try the Nesta Myrix one, but that's all I have for today. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and make sure you like it, share it, and subscribe to the channel. And that's all I have for you guys today. I hope that you enjoy what I have on my makeup tray, and I look forward to using all of them. Just like that, we have come to the end of the video. I hope that you enjoyed this little makeup tray for the month of October. I look forward to using everything. Guys, if you're new to my channel, please remember, once you watch this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, share with a friend or a few friends, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your post notification bell so that you'll never miss an upload. I'll see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.